So I found one of the larger guerrilla fireworks stand locations over in the Hybla Valley Mount Vernon section of Alexandria. As you can see, there are two stands here side by side. I'm going to go through real quick and see if I can find any items that I didn't see at the stands that I visited previously. So I'm only going to call out the names and prices for the items that are new that I haven't seen in previous stands. But if you guys are curious about the pricing on something, just hit the pause button and you can read it on the signs. Okay, so here's a new item. This is Brothers Fantasy Reality Finale Fountain for $149.95. It's buy one, get one. You can mix and match with other finale fountains. There's something. They've got little whistling peat fountains by Supreme Fireworks. I don't see a price listed. And another new item here. This is Brothers Oversized Load Finale Fountain for $149.95. They have the Super TNT assortment for $109.95. That was not at the previous Gorilla stands that I visited. Here's another new item. It's a large cone fountain by Shogun. The price is $13.95. Buy one, get one. And there's some new items in the novelties here. They have the M7 smoke grenade by Legend. These are the pole ring type smoke bombs. Don't see a price listed though. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe below.